Kulo Kalama Mamakawao.
Welcome to Kalama and Makawao.
I really like being able to collaborate, and that's kind of how we work, you know, in our communities. We work together, we network, we collaborate, we all take a leadership role in some way to produce an end product. With the iPads, we were able to use an app called Movie Trailer, and I liked the trailer because it was real short, it got to the point. They were able to put out their words and the meaning of what they were trying to portray through the Hawaiian language and typing out the Hawaiian language words. And it's cool because with Apple, they actually recognize Hawaiian as a language, and so they have a Hawaiian keyboard. And with the Hawaiian dictionary online called vehevehe.org, they're able to also translate words that they're unfamiliar with into our Hawaiian language. I told them we were doing iMovie Trailer. They were so excited.
The iPad makes it more fun because when we had paper, it kind of felt like it wasn't ours. But since we have the iPad, it feels like we're more in control. We know what we want to put down. The teacher's not going to tell us what to put down on paper. It's our assignment on the iPad.
And so it kind of gave them a little tool that they could use outside of the classroom as well. They could do a family reunion, or we do a lot of things in our community. So I'm really excited about using this to get our kids to have that voice and be more active citizens in our community. So just the little things that we learned in class that we could do with the iPads, they can share that with their families at home.